Blue Chip Stocks 2020, Stock News 2020. Do you want to know good quality stocks that is able to generate positive returns year after year? Soon enough, you will. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. Blue chip is a term from the gambling world, better to say from the poker world, and it is the best chip in that game. It is not only the best, it is also the most expensive and most high quality chip, the blue chip. In the stock world, it means companies that are one of the market leaders in the industry, very reputable, they're established, they exist since decades, they're very stable, etc. So in financial terms, it has a big market cap. So big market cap considers here like large cap, so at least 10 billion US dollars. And most of the time, they are a part of the market index, for example, the S&P 500. And it has a fairly steady growth, so that's why it's also very stable, and that's why also many institutional investors also invest in blue chip stocks. Most of the time, they also pay dividends, but it's not obligatory. And because it is such a large company, they have also less risk because they are in general financially stable. So here's an example. So Apple, for example, is a blue chip stock. So let's have a quick look here. So as of today, the 27th August 2020, the stock price is $507. The market capitalization, well, it is the most valuable company in the world, so that's why it has also the highest market capitalization with 2,164 billion US dollars. And it does pay dividend less than 1%, so 0.65%. At least they do pay dividends, but this stocks is it's also called growth stocks. So when people buy this kind of stock, they don't care that much about the dividends. For example, here, so 1 year ago the stock price was like $206. So you would literally almost triple your money if you invested in it like 1 year ago. So high growth. And if you look like further, like 5 years ago, it was like $110. So you would almost, if you invested it 5 years ago, you would almost 5 times your investment. And it has fairly steady growth year over year. Smash the like button, like the smash button. Another blue chip stock is, for example, CocaCola. So let's have a quick look here. It exists since decades. So as far as I remember, it was founded in 1892. So more than 100 years, 128 years to be precise, something like that. 92, yeah, 1892. So 128 years, something like that. So as of today, the stock price is 49 US dollars. The market cap is 209 billion US dollars. So it is considered as a mega cap. And it also pays dividend here, 3.4%. So fairly generous. So that's why this kind of stock is also called a dividend stock. And let's see next. All right. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. Right. Another example is, for example, Johnson and Johnson. Let's have a look here. So the market cap of this company is 400 billion US dollars. So it is also mega cap, very stable company. As far as I remember, it was founded 1910 or something. So it also exists like roughly 100 years. so also very reputable, established company. And they also pay dividends like 2.66%, which is also higher than any savings account. That's why it's also considered a dividend stock. Another blue chip stock, for example, IBM. So let's have a quick look here. IBM stands for International Business Machines Corporation, and the stock price is currently to $124. The market cap is 110 billion US dollars, so it is considered a large cap. And the dividend yield is 5%. Wow, fairly high, super high, one of the highest. So it is also considered a dividend stock. And another one, let's do Boeing. So as of today, 177 US dollars. The market cap is also roughly 100 billion US dollars, very established. And the dividend yields, maybe this time they don't pay dividends, something like that. So yeah. So one of the advantages of blue chip stocks 2020, or blue chip stocks in general, is the most of the time there is, well, all the examples I mentioned, they are part of the S&P 500, like all of them, as far as I can remember, and they are actually the best part of the S&P 500. That's why they outperform most of the time the S&P 500 index. And of course, FANG stocks are like the best of the best, so better than, FANG stocks are also actually blue chip stocks, but they are like the best of the blue chip stocks, so the best of the best, one of the best. All right, so it doesn't always have to be index funds of S&P 500, because you fairly can easily outperform the index fund, the S&P 500. Regarding FANG stocks, I have a video specifically about FANG stocks. You can find it in my investing playlist, and the investing playlist is in the video description below. And I also would like to add that I have about 100 videos on my YouTube channel. So there will be certainly another video that might be interesting for you. Subscribe and see you next time.